time for Titrat racing.
Turn back now. Yes. Already good. Alright guys, just doing a bit of a rundown on the damage that we sustained up at Kellerberrin 2021. We'll start at the back of the vehicle. First and foremost is obviously the fuel tank. We got stuck in stage 1, no full drive, so we've had to smash our way through it, and literally that's what we did. We did smash our way through it. As you can see, fuel consumption there, costs less to fill, but we still get less mileage. About 20 litre dent, that one. If we have a look down the back here, we'll see both the control arms on both sides, a bit bananaed. Nature of the beast, yet again we had to smash it through that stage. Pretty much smashed it through every stage, but that one was a lot harder than the rest. You can see by that one there, she's a bit bent. The KD rock sliders, what a wicked investment they were, mate. Old KD Fabrications, old Uncle Carl fabbed us up somehow this 4.2 mil, I think, Dom tubing. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what size it is. And as you can see, we managed to dent it, which is pretty impressive, none to say the least on that one as well. As we go past the door, yet again, stage 1. Glass has fallen out inside, so we're hoping it's not quite smashed. You have a look in there, you can clearly see it's out of trails, and that was making quite a bit of a racket as we were driving around. On a positive note, we didn't spin the steering wheel. The old wooden banger survived nicely for us there. Up around the front here, we did have to straighten our track bar. Blokes next door kind enough to come over and run over it about 50 times with their big truck. Which was great in that respect. That straightened that sucker out for us. We've also noticed that one of the springs has been dislocated and hasn't got lack on its spacer, so yeah, it's right off to the side. The rear, well, as you can see the track bar there, don't know if you can see on that angle, but she is pretty bent, that's for sure. The front of the radius arms copped a bit of a bingle, like everything. Diff's pumpkin skin there, quite a few dents in that. I'll tell you one thing we were quite surprised with is how strong these superior drag links are. That is absolutely astronomical. I don't think it's bent, doesn't look bent, but it did take a hiding the whole weekend, absolute hiding. So what else did we do? That rim over there, that's also dented. I don't think we can see it from here, but yeah, we had to smash that out. We had a big dent in that, so yet again, stage 1. Yeah, massive big dent in that. Obviously lost all the air, thanks to being a beadlock. It did stay on its rim, so we managed to get back and smack it out. Also, stage 3, I think, CV axle this side, had to change that out, thanks to the guys that gave us a hand, smashed it out like experts. Took literally about 15 minutes, it was awesome. So yeah, got it back going there, so CV damage on that one. Failing that, I think we come out unscathed. So alrighty, take you in the shed. I'll show you what Reddles bought us for the big girl Titrat, and I'll give you a bit of a quick progress update on that, because now all this is out of the way. Yes, we are going to put boost back on this girl. When are we going to do it? I think when Cal gets back from his next swing, so roughly about 2 weeks, should have boost back on that. And also, that reminds me, I've got to go order a Helltax 750 Elite, I think is the model we're chasing, to handle the boost. As well in here, So we got these big bad puppies here. They're for the back of Titrat to finish off our triangulation. But yeah, a pair of 18 by 2.5 inch air shocks by Pro Fender. There's the triangulation still sitting there, nothing done. There we go. Mate Tiger Lee, who as everyone else knows him as Phil Lee, he has made up these. Basically that's just a bar insert that goes into these. We cut them, weld them up to the eyelet, reinforce them, and that way we can adjust our triangulation to actually get the wheel alignment from side to side and get our pinion angles dead right as well. Something else I've also realised is we've got to get a double cardan yoke up there. Simple fact is because we're meant to have equal and opposite angles on both of those, and if we don't, we've got to put a cardan joint in. So we're putting the cardan uni joint in there, bang those in so we can adjust it so it's square, put those babies on the back, and then we can start building it. It's definitely all steam ahead with Titrat. Like I told the boys at Kellerberrin, we're definitely coming back in the big boy stage next year. Also got one of those, got that through MetSpark, nice and cheap GFB electronic boost controller, which will also stick on Titrat, stick on the daily, just to sort that out. Another big news thing, yeah, that's one of the reasons I'm cleaning my shed, is so I can find room to actually stick this JD M32 point bender. So got 1.5 inch dies, got 2.5 inch dies for that. So that's all sweet, we've got that ready to rock. Leo's running. We did warm her up that night. We did give her a bit of a hiding. She runs sweet. So yeah, that's all good for Keller. Yeah, so in a nutshell, I'm pretty sure I've touched base on everything there. Update. Titrat over here is back on the menu. This one tucked away in bed. The daily getting boosted. So hang in there guys for the next couple of episodes because there's going to be plenty of action, that's for sure. Hopefully no head lifting this time. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of this episode. So do us a favour, hit the like button, subscribe and leave us a comment, mate, because that'll be great. Failing that, thanks for watching and we'll see you next episode. Alright guys, running a bit late, just heading to the presentations now, so it's either yay or nay. We'll find out how we're going. In the meantime, we'll get some footage and take it from there guys. So yeah, good luck to us all.
So our modified class first prize was sponsored by Superfit as well. And the winners are Titrat Racing.
Woo!
Yeah, man, yeah.
I want to thank everyone involved. I always want to thank these guys and anyone that's marshals, all of you guys, obviously the people that take the pictures, anyone that's got anything to do with this event. It's awesome. We need more of them. And the second thing, where's the live feed?
Down there.
Right there. Keller, well done, buddy.